is divine. He's from heaven. He is God. Okay? Let's read why. In John chapter 1, starting with verse 1, it says, in the beginning was
यानी खुदावंद यीशु मसीह था, जो खुदा का कलमा था, जो खुदा था, जो आसमान पर मौजूद था, वो मुजस्सम हुआ और हमारे दरमियान आकर रहा। हालेलुया।
My name is Rachel. Great to see you all here on this beautiful day. A very warm welcome to all present here, respected and honorable guest, Sister Kathleen. Thank you very much, all of you. A little Christmas is being presented in front of this gift by the Pastor Sunil and Jesus Mission Ministry team and Sunday School Team Ministry.